Well, last time I was out here, I didn't have it completely done. I've got some different eye bolts I'm going to use, and these are the top pins for guy wiring it so I can roll it around. It's just going to be a buckle. It's not going to be anything difficult. Well, I unhooked the hoses. That's as far as I got last time. But I had to build up in here. And let's see how it works. This is the first time. I've not done anything on this. Now, here's why I am going to stop and put on my... Wow, I can roll that with one hand. I'm going to put a couple tie downs. See, I've got this to keep these up. They lose pressure when they're sitting. When you're not using it, it's natural for a hydraulic cylinder to lose pressure. So, I got it. I got a few things I got to do. I don't know where this is going to go yet. I can put it right through one of the casters and it would never go anywhere. So let me, what I'm going to do is get to work. And get the best thing I can end up with. Nice day today. Don't forget to change your clocks back on Saturday. But I'm really impressed. Let me take you to show you the pond. We're working around out here. There's my new set of torches. I got to get my welder yet set up. Nice miter box I got. I got everything here. I'm about ready now to start doing some work. My new table I just built. But anyway, let you see the pond. Now it doesn't look high, but if you look at my, let me zoom in. If you zoom in on that dock is only a foot above the water. Last year it got to the top of the dock, over the top of the dock. The dock was about 6 inches under. So let's hope it gets that full this year. And then by August, midsummer, late summer, it'll be down, which is normal, but I got it deep enough. I got to get to work on all that stuff out there. Today I cleaned a little bit of the pond and I raked some stones and cleaned up everything. So basically, just a goof off day. But I'm sure glad I got this, and I got the new casters underneath it. These casters here that I'm showing you, they don't only lock when they roll, they lock from turning. So you can lock it into anywhere you want. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Shut the door, listen to Fox News. Hope you all have a great day.